Here's problem 23, a trinomial times another trinomial. So I'm going to have to do the x squared distributed through to this piece to start. X squared times 3x squared. Well, remember, that's xx times another xx. Xx plus times xx, how many x's you have now? You have 4 of them. So that's going to be 3x to the 4th. That's a 4 right there. Now I got to do x squared distributed through to the 5x. X squared times that 5x. Well, here's a single x, and then you got x squared, so it's going to be x to the 3rd. So it's minus 5x to the 3rd. X squared times the 2, 2x squared. Now I got to do the 5x distributed through. So 5x times that 3x squared, that's 15x to the 3rd. 5x times that minus 5x, lose 25x squareds. 5x times the 2 is 10x. You can see how long we're getting here. Now I got to do the 2 through to each piece. Negative 2 times 3x squared, negative 6x squared. Negative 2 times negative 5x, positive 10x, because remember, negative times negative is positive. Finally, negative 2 times positive 2, subtract 4. You have 9 terms here, and you got to combine those that will go together. Well, let's see. I got an x to the 4th here. Nobody's going to go with that first term. 3x to the 4th. He's by himself. Now, 5x cubed. Let's see how many of those we have. We have 1 here, and 15 there, and that's it. So lose 5, gain 15. You've gained a total of 10 of those x cubes. We're just counting now. We're not, exponents aren't getting better. We're not bigger. We're not multiplying them. We're simply adding them. Now, let's see the x squareds. There should be about 3 of them. 2x squareds, lose 25x squareds, lose 6x squareds. We lost quite a bit, didn't we? We gained 2, then we lost 25. That's a loss of 23. Lose 6 more. You've lost a total of 29 of those x squareds. And finally, we got 10x, gain 10 more x's, positive 10x, positive 10x, 20x, and then finally our number, subtract 4. That trinomial times that trinomial gave you a total of 9 terms, and then you had to put them together. We ended up with a 5-term answer here. So there's problem 23. Not difficult, just took a little bit of time and concentrating on what we're doing.